Hi guys, my name is Daniel Shibu. Today I'll be giving my project or my presentation on solar energy. However, I'll be discussing or elaborating on the impact of solar energy. We'll also be talking about some of the benefits of solar energy in our community, in rural areas, and also how they have been contributing to the business sectors and also in making our environment a better place of living. The social organization is Delight Solar Energy. But before then, I'll briefly explain or elaborate the goals of Delight Solar Energy. Delight is a global leader and a pioneer in delivering affordable solar power solutions designed for the 2 billion people in the developing world without access to reliable energy. On the second slide, I'll be telling us the social issue and also the social innovation, the ecological factors why this unique and wonderful solar energy was invented. What made these people to invent solar energy? What are the drives, and also what are some of the consequences that motivate them to even invent this solar energy? However, one of the drive that motivates solar energy inventors is due to lack of energy supply, also high risk of electricity and insufficient energy to other poor continents, and lastly, they invent this wonderful energy because of high demand of energy bill. Now we'll be talking about some of the outcomes of this wonderful innovation, which is solar energy. Some of the outcomes is they lower our electricity bills. They also improve the value of our home. They reduce our carbon footprint. And lastly, they combat rising electricity costs. In this slide, you can see some of the wonderful impact of social innovation. You see that the impact is that they reduce pollution, they also limit greenhouse and gas emission, and they also shrink our carbon footprint. They did many things even to do what? To improve the benefit of our lifestyle. And here we'll be talking about some of the social innovation struggles, how this great innovator and also pioneers struggles to make sure this wonderful project came to be. We'll also discuss about their accomplishment, and also their failures. Now we can see from the slide some of their accomplishments and also their failure and also their struggle in making sure this craft came to be and also came to implement. We're talking about some of the wonderful recommendations for improving solar and also social innovation. One of the recommendations that I would love to suggest is that an individual should buy one of the most efficient solar panel model. You should also buy panel with high concentrated photo plastic. You should also avoid installing solar panel in shaded area. You should get an expert to install our solar panel. And lastly, we should clean our solar panel. So these are some of the wonderful recommendations I would recommend on those who are interested in purchasing solar panel and also in improving solar energy. However, these are some of the recommendations for scaling the social innovation. One of the recommendations is that they reduce risk by outsourcing part of the processes. As a social innovation, you need to respond to lead quickly. You need to be persistent. You need to capture permission to stay in touch and also to deliver the next and also the right. And lastly, these are my sources for this wonderful project. Thank you.